Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in today's lesson we are going to explore a powerful concept in probability, that is Bayes theorem. This theorem is widely used in data science, artificial intelligence, medical diagnostics and even decision making. So stay tuned as we break it down step by step. So let's start with formula. Bayes theorem helps us calculate the probability of an event given prior knowledge. The formula is probability of event Ei given A, that is equal to probability of event Ei and P, probability of A given Ei upon, that is summation from j is equal to 1 to n, P probability of Vj and into probability of A given is A. This formula allows us to update probabilities when we obtain new evidence. It is particularly useful in scenarios like medical testing, spam detection, and even reliability analysis. So, the following terminologies is used in Bayes theorem. The events E1, E2, En are called hypotheses. The probability PEI is called prior probability. See that these terms are very important. So you must take care of these things. So these terms are very important. And there is a machine learning algorithm called Bayes that uses this formula or this theorem. The conditional probability PEI is given is called posterior probabilities of hypothesis EI. Bayes theorem, also known as formula for the probability of causes, because events EIG form a partition of the sample spaces, meaning one and only one of them must occur. At least one event must occur. That theorem gives us the probability of particular cause, that is EI given that event A has occurred. So probability cause is EI and event A has occurred. So that's why this is also called probability of causes, formula for probability of causes. Let us see an example. So bag 1 has 3 red, 4 black balls, and bag 2 5 red and 6 black balls. A bag is chosen randomly and a red ball is drawn. So find the probability that it was drawn from bag second. Now define the probability, because there are two bags. So PB1, probability of bag 1, selecting bag 1 is half, 1 upon 2, and also probability of B2, that is half. Now probability of drawing red from bag first, so that would be R given B1, that is 3 upon 7, because here 3 red 4 black balls. So our favorable cases are 3 and total cases are 7, so 3 upon 7. Probability of drawing red from bag 2, so red from bag 2, 5 upon 11. Now applying Bayes theorem. So what we will find the probability that it was drawn from bag 2. So it was drawn from bag 2 given red ball. That means red ball was drawn from bag 2. So we will use this Bayes formula. So PB2, P R given B2 and thereafter PB1, PR given B1, PB2, PR given B2. We will plug all the values. So we will get 5 upon 8. Now let us see another example. Box 1, 2 gold coins. Box 2, 2 silver coins. And box 3, 1 gold and 1 silver coin. So a box is chosen randomly, the same type of question, and a gold coin is drawn. So find the probability that the other coin is in the box is also gold. So let us see that. So step 1, assign probability. So there are 3 bags. So selecting one bag, probability would be 1 upon 3. And the probability of gold coins in B1, that would be 1. PZ2 0, PZ3, that is half. Here it is 1 because there is only one gold coin here. Only one. So its probability would be 1. And here there is no gold coin. So that is 0. And here one gold and one silver coin. That is half. Now let us apply Bayes theorem. So box should be first, given that is gold coin. We will plug all the values. So that would be 2 upon 3. So hope you understood the concept. For more videos and resources, you can visit www.postnetwork.co. You can also visit YouTube channel for a playlist and videos. You can also follow page on Facebook page. You can connect to LinkedIn page of PostNetwork Academy. So hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.